This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the hidden experimental settings in the Zen Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen Web Browser opened up now. To access the hidden experimental settings, also known as flags, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the address bar, put your cursor in there, erase whatever's in there, and type about:config. Hit enter. It'll take you to a page that looks something like this. It says proceed with caution. Changing advanced configuration preferences can impact the Zen's performance or security. Click on accept risk and continue. It'll take you to a page that looks something like this. Right up here at the top at the center, you click on show all. And it gives you hundreds of different settings that you could change. At the very top up here, you have a search bar where you could search for particular settings. Off to the far right, there's a little checkbox for show only modified preferences. But you could go through here, you could change any one of these. To change one, say that this very top one I wanted to change. As you can see, this is set to false. Off to the far right of it, there's a little toggle button. If I click on that toggle button, now it has changed it to true. Now if I go back over to the far right, I could either click on the toggle again to change it back to false, or I could click on this little reset arrow. I'm going to click on the reset arrow. Now it has changed back to false. That is how to access the hidden experimental settings in the Zen Web Browser. Thanks for watching.